Hey Mom, I wanted to show you how the pillows turned out after I recovered them. This was a great twofer. I got to use the pillows that I didn't know what I was going to do with from my old couch. I got to use this beautiful tapestry, make them into pillow covers. They're reversible. I even got to put in an invisible zipper. That was awesome. You can't even tell. They'll make great meditation pillows in the yoga room. I think they just turned out fab. Let me know what you think about my project. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I would love it. Well, our meditation room, yoga room is complete. It just turned out awesome. I've been making things since I was 3. Creating is my happy place and my passion. My hope is that you feel inspired as a result of watching my videos and create something incredible. I would love to hear about it by leaving me a comment below and give the thumbs up for other interested viewers. Look what I'm gonna do with these old pillows. This was off of my old couch. That big tapestry that I've had in the closet forever. Beautiful green. I love the color. So I'm gonna cover them, make pillows for the yoga room. Perfect, right? Measured it across. It was 22 inches square. So after I laid the tapestry out, I put this pre-measured 22 by 22. It's just plastic sheeting. I got it at my arts and crafts store. I was able to fussy cut. You know, I just laid it out. That way I could fussy cut and see exactly where I was to cut it. So I got 8 pieces, exactly what I needed to make pillow covers. So after I got my pieces cut, then I just added about 1.25 inches of my interfacing. This is where my zipper's gonna go, just to kind of strengthen it, and I think that's a good idea. I've pinned my trim to the front of my pillow, the one side, and I'm just going to do like a 1/4 inch seam to just secure it to the front before I put in the zipper. And this was after I put in the interfacing strip, just to secure where I'm going to put the zipper. Doubled it over on itself right in the corner. So my zipper is facing down, and I'm going to open it up just a little bit more. All right, my research indicates that you iron the zipper like open a little bit without melting it. Just by rolling it with my fingers, I'm able to kind of open it up and then press it. So right now I have right sides together, and I have my zipper right side in, and I'm going to line it up I'll put it exactly where I want it and pin it in place. This up. Should be able to zip the zipper and it'll be right where I want it to be. So I'm going to open it up and sew the zipper in. So what I'm doing is I'm lining up my right edge. I'm taking my fingers and kind of opening up the zipper, sewing as close to the zipper as I can. So with this foot, I'm able to get as close as I can to my zipper, and I just kind of open it up. Look at that. Cool. So I'm going to change out my foot back to my 1/4 inch. My pillow all arranged here. I love it. Look how cute. Reversible. I love the fringe. Oh, you know what? I get to pull off this right here. There's a string that you pull. I love them. I think they turned out just perfect.